Today we are going to see one of the useful function of Excel 2024, which is text before and text after. So let us see the text before. What exactly this function does? It extracts a value from a particular text by the specified of delimiter. So I'll just show you with the example. When I type the text before, it requires text and delimiter. I can provide the cell reference directly. Fine. I'll press comma. Once I press the comma, I can see the delimiter. Okay. In double quote, I will input the backward slash, and when I enter, it will extract a value television. So text before function extract all the text before the delimiter has been provided. So let me drag this formula. I can see there are some hash any. We will talk about this later on. For row number 7, there is a slash after cell phone. There is a dot after television. So it did not consider the dot, it only consider a slash. So what if I want it should consider the dot also, because we have a dot also, we have a comma also here. Let me zoom a little bit. So if you see, we have a dot, we have a comma and slash. So any of the slash, dot or comma, any value came, it should consider as a delimiter and extract the value. In that case, I'll have to write all these delimiters in curly braces in double quote, slash, comma, double quote, dot, comma, double quote, comma. Complete the curly bracket and complete the text before bracket. And when I enter and drag this formula, I can see it has been extracted a television. In row number 5, it has the slash. It considered as a slash and extracted the television. In row number 6, it considered the comma and extracted television. In row number 7, it considered a dot as a delimiter and extracted television. So in that way, you can use multiple denominator in single formula. Now let us see the next parameter. I will remove the bracket, press comma. It is instance number. So let's assume I want to extract all the value before slash. So I'll just remove this. So let's assume I want to extract all the value before slash, but from second instance. So by default, text before extract a value where the first delimiter found. Now we have mentioned that extract a value from second slash. Okay, so when I complete the bracket, enter and drag the formula, so all these value does not have the second slash, only the fifth row has the second slash. So when you see television slash home theater, after home theater there is a slash, so before second slash everything has been considered. Now let us try with the characters. So I'll remove these parameters. In double quote, I'll write CELL. So if you see, we have a cell phones, so it should extract a value before cell. I'll complete the bracket, I'll enter the value and drag it. Even though there are multiple cell phones are there, still it did not extracted the value. So if you observe, we have provided a value in lowercase and the input values are sometimes uppercase or in proper case. So what I want, whenever the delimiter matches with the value, it should ignore the case of the character. So whether it is uppercase, lowercase or proper case, all values should get considered. In that case, I will press comma again right now in instance number, and I'll go to match mode. So if you see, the match mode has been activated. By default, text before or text after formula is a case sensitive. That means the value should be in the same format that we have provided. But I want to ignore this, so I'll select the case insensitive match. Hmm? I will select it and press tab, or I will directly input as a 1. Bracket complete. Now observe, this has been extracted a value. This cell is matched with the cell, and before the cell whatever value we have has been extracted. So when I drag this formula, you can see there is a cell phone and the value has been extracted. Now I want to deal with this hash NA. So this hash NA showing that this cell value did not find, but my requirement is quite different. Whenever we don't find any value, I want to be extracted all the value from the input. So what I'll do, after match mode, I will press comma and I will select match to end. Bracket complete. It extracted the complete value from the cell. Okay. So when you want to ignore the hash NA and to be replaced with the complete cell value, you can mention 1 in the match end criteria. This is very rare requirement, but whenever I don't find any value, I want that error should be replaced with some other text or some meaningful text. I will remove this one, press comma. Now you can see we have activated if not found criteria. I will mention not found in double quote. Bracket complete, enter. When I drag this formula, wherever I don't find any value, it returns not found. So in that way, you can use a text before formula very easily. Now let us take the text after formulas example. So I'll just scroll to the right side, text after. I'll just copy the format and paste it here. Let us see. So I want to extract a value after second slash. Text after in this text, comma, I want to search a backslash, comma 2. So whatever we have from slash 2 afterwards, it should get extracted. So I'll enter it and I'll drag the formula. So if you see, only the row number 5 has 2 slash. So the value has been extracted. So yes, that was the video. We will make available all the Excel 2024 videos soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.